Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to promote your Facebook posts directly with SocialHub when you create them with just a few clicks. It's so simple, it's so cool. So the first thing you will have to do is to add your ad account under account in Facebook ads. I've already done this because it takes a minute or two, and if you want to know how, look at this video. And it's just 2 or 3 minutes, but it's good to see this step by step because Facebook made it as complex as it possibly could. But when you have done this, completed this, you have added your ad accounts and added the ad accounts to the channels, gave us all the permissions that we need. And then when that's done, you can now actually create Facebook ads while you're creating your post in just 3 clicks. So you create a Facebook content as you know how to do. Super cool post that I want to promote. I will also add a link to this. Oops. So we have a link post here that I want to promote now. And now, let's say also we want to time it for next week somewhere. And now I also, if I just click on schedule, it's just a normal Facebook post. If I click on promotion, I can also promote it and I can create an ad for it. I just select the ad account that I want to do it with. I select the campaign that I want to put it into. And now here I have all the ad sets that I have already created in Facebook. I can just choose whatever ad set I want to put it in, and that's it. If you click on schedule, SocialHub will create a new ad with these things as the ad creative in this ad set on Facebook, and you're done. Just 3 clicks. For those of you who have used Ad Manager, know how complex it is in there. If you want to create a new ad set right out of SocialHub, you can also do this by clicking on Add Ad Set. That's it. Super simple. If you have an existing, just choose it, then click on Schedule, and that's it. Super easy. That's how you promote posts on Facebook with SocialHub. Super, super simple. I hope you like it. I hope it saves you a bunch of time as it does for us. Enjoy, have fun with it, and I will see you soon. Bye.